In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe all unwanted emails in Gmail. Start by opening your Gmail account, either on the web or through the mobile app. Pick any message from a sender you no longer want to hear from. Open the email and look near the sender's name or at the top of the message. For most newsletters and promotional emails, Gmail shows an unsubscribe button or link right there. Click unsubscribe, then confirm in the pop-up. Sometimes you'll be redirected to the sender's website to finish the process. Just follow the on-screen steps and you're done. To clean up faster, use Gmail's Manage Subscriptions feature. On the left side menu, click More, then choose Manage Subscriptions. This brings all your active subscription senders into one dashboard so you can review them at a glance. From here, you can unsubscribe from multiple senders with a single click, which is a quick way to reduce clutter without opening each email individually. If you don't see this option yet, it may roll out to your account soon, so check back periodically. Another effective approach is to search for common newsletter keywords. In the Gmail search bar, type words like unsubscribe or promotions to surface bulk emails. Select multiple messages at once, then use the unsubscribe option where available. For senders that don't offer a clean unsubscribe, you can apply Gmail's built-in filters to automatically block, archive, or delete future messages from those addresses. This is especially helpful for repeat senders that ignore unsubscribe requests. If you want extra help at scale, consider using reputable third-party tools such as Clean Email or Inbox Purge. These services are designed to mass unsubscribe from newsletters more efficiently. Review their permissions and privacy policies before connecting your account, and only proceed if you're comfortable with how your data will be handled. For persistent senders who won't let go, open one of their emails, click the three dots menu in the top right corner, and choose Block. This sends their future messages straight to spam. And while you're at it, make a habit of reporting spam when you see it by clicking Report Spam. Doing this trains Gmail to filter similar messages and helps keep your inbox cleaner over time. Work through these methods in whichever order makes sense for you, starting with the unsubscribe button, then the Manage Subscriptions dashboard, followed by searches, filters, and blocks. With a few focused minutes, you'll noticeably cut down your inbox noise and keep important messages front and center.